Good morning, Standard 5. Children, today we are going to start our chapters 8. Let's learn Scratch. Okay, so Scratch, it's a programming language. Okay, in last video I explained you about computer programming languages. Okay, so Scratch is also a programming language. It is visual programming language. Now this language is used to create animation, games, stories. Okay, so animation movies which you see on your television now and on computer games. Actually, these all are program based animation. Okay, program based means animation which we create on computer system. Actually, all those are programming based. Okay, computer games which you play, okay, that is also made with the computer programming. Okay, so Scratch, in this language we are going to learn how to create animation games with programming language Scratch. Okay, so it is very easy. All if you can do this. Okay, or if you can create your own stories, animated stories, okay, using this Scratch programming language. It's very interesting. I hope you all will like this. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so if you want to start Scratch program, so this is icon. Okay, here I have this icon, this one. Okay, I have Scratch programming language 3rd version. Okay, so this type of icon. I don't have that cat icon. Okay, or you go to the start button and here you see Scratch 3. Okay, so double click here. Scratch is loading. Okay, so this is the screen. This is Scratch programming screen. Okay, so this is Scratch window, little bit different, but things are same. Little bit difference is there between Scratch 2 and Scratch 3. I have latest version Scratch 3, and in book now it is given Scratch 2. Okay, so in window, so this is Scratch program window. Okay, yes, so in this window there are different components. Okay, one by one we will see all these components. Here this is green flag. Okay, green flag. This is stop button. Okay, stop button, here it is. Then if you want to see your program full screen, so this is for full screen. Okay, this button, I hope it is visible to you. Full screen button, this one. Okay, when you'll click on this now, so here you can run your project on full screen using that full screen button. This is coding part. Okay, different codes are given in blocks. Okay, codes, instructions, and in programming we write instructions. So all instructions of Scratch programming are written in blocks. Okay, so there are different blocks. Motion block. Okay, this is motion block. Here it is looks block. Looks block, it is in purple color. Okay, this is sound. This is events block. This is control block. Then sensing, operators, variables. Okay, and this is my block where we will create our own blocks. We can create our own block too as per our requirement. So motion, these are by default. Okay, by default we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 blocks. Okay, 8 blocks we have. Here it is. This is sprite, this cat. Okay, it is a sprite. Sprite means here object means if you are creating a game, creating a game. Okay, so for games you require some characters there. Okay, so that, or if you are creating an animated story, for that you need cartoon character. So this sprite is actually that character. Okay, in your book it is written each object in Scratch which is programmed to animate, है ना, which is programmed to animate is called sprite. So here we have, by default we get cat. Whenever you open Scratch programming, cat, it is always there. Okay, so Scratch program provides you one character. Okay, there are number of this type of cartoon characters. Okay, but by default it gives you this one, cat sprite. Okay, so cartoon character, here it is called sprite. Okay, then next one is stage. This is stage, this white area. Okay, here cartoon character performs according the given instructions. Okay, according the given instruction. Clear? And this is a script area. Okay, here we place scripts. First of all, see, this is motion block. All commands are in blue color. Okay, this is motion block. So motion block, first instruction is given for stripe, move 10 steps. Okay, so we have to drag this instruction into the script area. Okay, where do we have to drag script instructions? In script area. So with this, no, your cartoon character, it moves. Here it is written move 10 steps. So this character will step 10 steps ahead. Okay, or if you put -10, then it will go backward. Okay, 10 steps backward direction. Clear, no? So these are. The next is, if you have to turn degrees are mentioned here. See, okay, so 15 degree. How much degree? 15 degree. So this you can change according to your requirement. 15 it is written, by default it gives you 15, but you can change it. You can make it 45 according to your requirement. Okay, these steps also can be changed. Okay, if you want to make it 50 steps, so change this figure. Okay, so clockwise direction. This is clockwise direction. If you want to turn your cartoon character anti-clockwise, okay, anti-clockwise, so this way it will be. You have to drag instructions from here. Understood? So I hope you understood all the components of Scratch program. Okay. These are instructions. Instructions are given in the form of blocks. Okay. These blocks name you have to remember, because you will be asked in your exam about these blocks. Which block has which instruction? Okay, you have to memorize all this. Clear? And sprite I told you. And here you see we have number of cartoon characters, means a sprite. See this one. Click over here. See, so many characters we have. Okay, using this you can create stories. Number of these all are sprites. Okay, all are sprites. whichever type of story you want to create, animated stories. So there are number of, okay. Then for creating story, now we need some background, okay. So these are backgrounds, whichever background. Suppose your cartoon characters are in bedroom, so 3 types of bedroom are there. Bedroom 1, 2, 3, okay. This is basketball court 1, baseball court, architect. So many backdrops are here, okay. Whichever backdrop you want. This is for castle backdrop, castle 1, castle 2, castle 3, castle 4. So many are there, okay. If your story is about desert, so here it is desert. This is concert, okay. Concert scene you can create. So many are there. This is galaxy. Here aliens story you can create in a galaxy. Jungle, if your story is about a jungle, so suppose jungle. So here you see. So this is stage, okay. Stage is now turned into jungle, है ना. So through these backdrops you can change this stage and sprite you want. So whichever, this is every selected. Here you see, now we have 2 sprites, clear, no? 1 cat and here every, okay, every. So sprites as per your story's requirement you can choose, okay. See. Okay, so number of sprites we have. Just click here, okay. And this is ballerina which can dance, okay. Understood? I hope you understood the components of Scratch program, okay. And these are instructions which you have to drag to the script area. This is script area, okay. Looks, this is looks block, and here looks block help you to write dialogues, okay. If you have to add some dialogues in your story, no, so through this you can add dialogues. Here by default it is given hello, but you can change it, okay. You can change, you can remove whatever it is written through the backspace key, and then write dialogue which you want in your story. Understood? So it is very interesting. So today I explained you all the components of Scratch programming, okay. In next class I will explain you how to create a story using Scratch programming, okay. Children, do your homework and learn question answers. Do practice of all the softwares, PowerPoint, MS Word, whichever I taught you. Do practice on this and try to download this Scratch program from internet. It is available, okay. Bye. Take care of yourself.